If you've got frown lines or wrinkles that just come with time, don't wait for a miracle cream that might not deliver the miracle. Cosmetic surgeon Dr. Thomas Jeneby is here to tell us about some treatments that even some A-list actresses are swearing by. Dr. Jeneby, welcome back.
Thank you very much.
It's always good to have you.
My pleasure.
I was so excited to talk to you about something you're doing called the Look Awesome Club. And I'm thinking if there's a club for women, it is the Look Awesome Club, isn't it?
Yes, basically, I came up with this club about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, because I noticed that women needed more treatments than just one time for Botox or one time for the fillers and frown lines. And I came up with a club that lasts a year.
Yes, and membership has its privileges.
Yes.
Yes, it does, right?
Yes, it does.
Because what you're saying is the more treatment sort of that you get, you're maintaining what you've started on your skin.
Yes, I always make it akin to you either paint a house when it's just chipping away, or you have to overhaul the whole house.
Right.
So I like to just paint it as it's chipping away, and that's how you should think about skincare in your body.
Yes. Are you finding, Dr. Jeneby, that whatever sort of damage we've done to our skin, you can sort of repair it with sort of a consistent routine?
Yes, absolutely. It's maintaining yourself is better than trying to reverse a lot of damage.
Indeed. Now, one of the things we're talking about this morning are Botox confessions. And you guys I don't know if you've seen the latest issue of People magazine, but in this month's issue of People magazine, a number of Hollywood celebrities have come out and said, I absolutely use Botox. And tell us, first of all, for people out there who might not be familiar what Botox is, Vanessa Williams said 3 or 4 years ago, she's 45 years old, and she said, I swear by this, I'm not ashamed of it. And it really is sort of now the taboo has been lifted about Botox.
Botox is not a dangerous drug. There's a lot on the internet that is untrue. Most of these actresses start Botox in their 30s, and they continue on, and it really staves off a facelift over time. I won't say that it will keep a facelift away, but I'll tell you what, all these actresses have been using Botox for years, and it's good to start early, in other words.
And they look good, and men are using it as well. Simon Cowell is also another I shouldn't say actor, but celebrity, Hollywood type, who says that he uses it. And one of the things that I've noticed, Dr. Jeneby, is that it really just sort of helps you look rested.
Yes, most of the patients that come in that are in the club, which is a year-long club for both, feel that their friends tell them, hey, are you doing something different, but can't really place it.
Can't really place it. Now, tell us who's a good candidate for Botox.
A good candidate is somebody who's starting to notice that their lines, which are normally only available when they move their eyes or smile, are at that stage is a good time to start, because once they become lines that are permanent, it's very hard to reverse. You have to use a combination of Botox and laser, which we do.
Well, you've had some success stories, right, in your own practice with women who've used it, and I'd like to talk about some of the people, some of your clients who've had good success rates with this.
Yes, absolutely. On the left, you see one of our clients that started with Botox about 4 years ago, and that's her trying to mimic those lines on the right, and she can't. Now, so
here on the left, we see her sort of exaggerating her face, right?
Yes.
And here, she's unable to do that.
She's unable. She's trying to lift up on the right, and it really has helped. Now, she's been in the Botox club for 4 years, and you could notice that she doesn't look doll-faced, she doesn't look weird, but she's been maintaining for many years, and it's worked.
Membership has its privileges.
Yes.
4 years is a good time.
Yes, it is.
Now, let me ask you this, Dr. Jeneby, how long do you sort of have to keep with the Botox routine? I mean, is there a point where you get sufficient enough Botox and you don't need it anymore?
Well, that's a good point. After a couple of years, 2 or 3 years, we start to space you out to almost where the muscles don't even do those actions anymore. So they don't really cause all those problems.
Yes.
But you need to be on it for a while.
Yes. And listen, Dr. Jeneby, not only are you helping women look beautiful around this city, but you are also consciously involved in this community. Tell us what you're doing this Thanksgiving.
We're giving away 3 turkey dinners to needy families in the area through various charity organizations, and we're also
awesome, Dr. Jeneby.
And we're also got a tree at Lax on Blanco. If we get the most cans, we'll donate $250 to another.
The most cans?
Yes, put your cans under that tree.
Awesome. Dr. Thomas Jeneby is located at 7272 Wurzbach, number 801. For more information, 210-270-8595. Happy Thanksgiving to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.